With growing popularity of crypto trading, it's important to understand that the different trading styles suits different personalities and goals. In this video, I want to talk about different types of crypto traders, so you can choose which type of crypto trader suits best for you. So first we have day traders. These traders buy and sell based on short time movements during one day, and their goal are quick profits. Most of them rely heavily on technical analysis and charts. Day trading is a high-stress style which requires a constant monitoring. So if you don't have time, watch the charts a whole day, probably day trading is not for you. Next we have swing traders. These traders hold position for several days or even weeks. Most of the times they use technical analysis and fundamental analysis, making this trading style much less stressful than day trading. But it still requires regular attention. Now let's talk about hodlers. These type of traders buy and hold crypto during the longer period of time, absolutely ignoring the short-term price movements. They believe on the long-term potential of the crypto investment. So I recommend this type of trading style to traders who want to just buy a crypto and wait until the price rises. When you are a hodler, as me, you just need to buy asset or crypto based on your analysis and fundamentals, and then you need to forget that you bought it. And then we have scalpers. These traders make tens or even hundreds trades a day, aiming to make small profits on every trade they make. This trading style requires high skill and quick decision making. A lot of these traders use automation tools to execute trades more quickly. Next we have arbitrage traders. These type of traders earns on price differences between crypto trading exchanges. For example, Binance and Bybit. On one exchange, price of Bitcoin can be $69,000, and on another exchange, price of Bitcoin can be 69 and 100, for example. So you will buy on the one exchange and you will sell on another exchange. Quick execution is crucial here, and also you need to understand fees and interest rates. Finally, we have position traders. These are more like long-term investors. They buy and wait months or even years. They analyze macroeconomic factors and cycles, and they don't care about short-term price movements. Now let's discuss how these trading styles align with different personality traits. So for example, day traders needs to be more risk tolerant, quick thinking, reacting to the market movement quickly. So hodlers just buy, hold and wait. So take a moment and think about it, which of these trading styles can suit best for you. I recommend to the starting traders to focus more on swing trading and hodling, and after you will gain some experience, you can start focusing on lower time frames and more into the algo trading and developing trading systems and so on. I'd love to hear from you which trader are you or which trader you aspire to be. So let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video.